I used to think that creating AI-generated content was hard and took hours of technical work just to get it right. I was wrong. You can actually cut your production time in half and generate professional, high-fidelity videos in just a few minutes from your laptop. Today, I'm breaking down the complete blueprint to master the Canvas workflow. This is the ultimate tool to reduce your work hours by turning simple prompts into cinematic masterpieces, starting right now. Look, we've all been there, staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out how to create engaging video content without spending our entire weekend learning complicated software. Most creators either burn out from the technical overwhelm or settle for mediocre content that doesn't stand out. But Higgsfield changes everything. This AI-powered platform literally transforms your ideas into professional videos with just a few clicks. We're talking about going from concept to finished video in minutes, not hours. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, generate stunning visuals, create compelling scripts, and produce complete videos that look like they cost thousands to make. I've got the link to this game-changing tool in the description below so that you can follow along step by step. Step 1, setting up your workspace. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting started is literally so simple that you'll wonder why you waited so long to try this. When I first signed up for the website, the AI immediately walked me through the setup process. I literally went from a complete beginner to creating my first video in under 10 minutes. And I was totally obsessed with how user-friendly everything felt. First, let's visit their website. Just hit the sign up button with your preferred account, whether it's Google, Apple, or email. It's a seamless process that takes you straight into this clean, minimalist dashboard where all the creative magic happens. Then we continue by clicking on the Canvas feature. After that, click on the Create Canvas button. We will land on this Canvas page where we can start creating our workflow. One of the best things about this workspace is that building your entire graph and connecting nodes is completely free. You can experiment and link as many nodes as you want without spending a dime. You only pay when you're ready to hit generate. Here's what most people don't know. This platform is currently giving a special discount to new signups. Make sure to grab it before you start creating. It's a massive help if you're looking to scale your content without breaking the bank. But wait until you see what happens when we start generating our first images. Step 2. Image generation workflow. Now here comes my most exciting part, watching the AI create stunning visuals from just a simple text description. When I typed in my first prompt, the AI generated 4 different variations in less than 30 seconds. I literally gasped when I saw the quality. These looked like professional stock photos that would normally cost me $50 each. First, we start by right-clicking on the canvas. You'll see that several tools are available. You can either start with a photo or create from scratch. For this video, I want to create ads for a product. If you already have your photo product, you can double-click and select Upload. But here, I'll create from scratch, so I'll choose Image Generator here. For the prompt, I'll write something short and simple like this. A luxury-scented candle in an elegant glass jar with minimalist branding, placed on a premium beige stone surface. Soft, natural lighting, warm shadows, clean modern aesthetic, high-end commercial product photography, realistic wax texture, cinematic composition, luxury lifestyle branding, ultra-realistic 4K detail. Then we can just adjust the settings like the AI model, aspect ratio, resolution, and batch size. Finally, we hit generate and watch the magic happen. In less than a minute, we can get this super cute result. Next, I'll create my virtual model. Here, I'll add a new image generation for the virtual model. For this one, I write a 23-year-old Southeast Asian female virtual model with light tan skin, oval face, natural makeup, and long, straight, dark brown hair. Wearing a beige crop top and high-waist jeans, she smiles confidently at the camera. Clean studio, soft natural lighting. Lastly, I'll create a background image for the ads. I'll keep this simple and minimalist. Here's my prompt. A modern luxury living room with warm beige tones, elegant interior design, soft natural sunlight through large windows, cozy ambiance, minimal decor, premium aesthetic, cinematic lighting, realistic interior photography. I'll adjust the settings and then hit generate. Finally, we have the base for our video generation. Here's what most people don't know. If you want to avoid those common AI glitches, make sure to use negative prompts. Adding words like deformed, extra fingers, or blurry helps the model filter out the noise and focus on producing a high-quality, crisp visual. But the real power comes when we turn this static image into a video. Step 3. Video generation workflow. Now here comes my most satisfying part, watching all your elements come together into a polished, professional video that looks like it was made by a whole production team. When I saw the final output, seeing my character's look stay perfectly consistent across every shot was incredible. I literally sat there watching it render, feeling like I had just unlocked some secret Hollywood technology. First, start by adding a prompt node. Then we can connect the product images node, the virtual models node, and the background image node to this prompt node. We can continue by writing down the prompt in this node. I'll go with something simple like this. Create an ultra-realistic cinematic commercial of a person using the product. After that, we can add a video generation node to our canvas. This is where we can turn all our previous images into a video. Finally, we customize the video settings. First, we can select an AI model. Here I'll select Cadence 2.0. Then we can adjust the duration and resolution of the video. For resolution, I'll select the highest one. After that, we can choose our video dimensions. Square or vertical for Instagram, landscape for YouTube, or vertical for TikTok. Make sure to turn on the audio generation and set the batch size. Once we're finished, we can hit generate. Here's what most people don't know. Don't waste time generating everything individually. Just hit run pipeline to trigger your whole flowchart at once. It's the master command for the entire workspace that processes all your connected nodes in a single click. This tool isn't just for solo creators. If you're working with a team, you can share a link and collaborate in real time. Plus, you don't have to start from scratch every time. You can save your canvas as a template and reuse your high-performing workflows for future projects with just one click. Let's talk about what this actually means for your content creation process and your budget. If you hired a professional video production company, you're looking at anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per video, plus weeks of back and forth revisions. If you learn traditional video editing software like Adobe Premiere, you'd spend months just getting comfortable with the basics, not to mention the monthly subscription costs. With this tool, you're talking about less than the cost of a nice dinner out, and you can create professional videos in the time it takes to watch a Netflix episode. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. There must be a catch. Let me address the most common concerns I hear. The AI probably creates generic, boring content. Actually, the system is so precise that the output follows your prompt to the letter, ensuring every video matches your exact vision. It's probably complicated to learn. Actually, the learning curve is surprisingly smooth. If you can follow a simple visual map, you can master the entire workflow in just one afternoon. The quality probably isn't good enough for professional use. I have seen creators use these AI videos for client presentations, social media campaigns, and even commercial advertising. It's probably expensive for what you get. When you break down the cost per video compared to traditional methods, it's literally pennies on the dollar. Here's what this tool actually gives you: immediate results that save you 10 to 15 hours per video, social proof from creating content that actually looks professional, financial freedom from not having to hire expensive agencies, and creative confidence to experiment with ideas you never thought you could execute. If you're ready to transform your content creation process and start producing videos that actually get results, here's exactly what you need to do. Click the link in the description below to get started today. The platform is designed for beginners, so even if you've never created a video before, you'll be generating professional content within your first hour. Join thousands of creators who have already discovered this game-changing tool. If this tutorial helped you understand how simple professional video creation can be, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Let's make some amazing content together.